Ellie the elephant loved the rain, but not the puddles, oh what a pain. Instead of stomping in the mud, she opened umbrellas, red and stuff. One Lala was big and round, it made a funny spinning sound.